So here we are in my mate Mushy's kitchen, and we're just filling up this lovely old Bing, and Mushy's just fashioned me a sight glass which he's fitted for me right in there, and we don't know what's going to happen here. Going to put a bit of heat in the boiler. Now we're using this little Bix burner just to try her out. You see her in there, and she's not far away now. Now we're getting very near the moment of truth. We've got her sealed. Burner's in there. Ah, and I hear something happening.
Hooray!
Hey, hey! Success on the lawn! Yeah!
It's alive.
Oh, it's alive.
Now just look at that now. Isn't that something else? Wow. Now just look at this now. Going a treat. Wow.
Right.
Lovely old Bing. And there it is. If I just zoom in on the sight glass there, that's what we've been working, well, Odilon's been working on for hours, and eventually it's paid off. There it is, dry as a bone, and the old machine going like a watch. And this is so good to see. Wow. What a lovely runner. Just look at that now. So Mirko, thanks a million. This is the machine you sent me, and it's going a treat now. Fix the sight glass. Everything's going just fine.